Hello everybody, my name is Olga, so I will start my presentation in English. So my thesis name is detection of well-known and unknown brands, product with manipulated reviews using sentiment analysis, like application of Russian online store. That is a context. And first of all, introduction, as you know, online customer reviews plays an important role in influencing new customer in the purchase decision-making process. And also, now the problem of manipulated or fake reviews became really, really important in online stores platforms. Such as Amazon, TripAdvisor, Booking.com, and other. So, for example, here is one of the state from Forbes magazine that Amazon's fake review problem is getting worse. So, even in Amazon, that problem is getting worse. So, what should do another site? So, first of all, our research based on Russian retail sites like wildberries.ru. That wildberries.ru is the largest Russian online retailer. So in 2017, Wildberries had revenues around $1 billion. So next, it's our research objectives. So first of all, we attempt to find a way to identify the product with manipulated reviews. So we will propose detection method. And second is also we purpose to examine the connection between brand awareness and existing manipulation with products, OCRs. And last one, but not at least, is this our thesis aims to examine the difference in the nature of OCRs, like sentiments and also rating scores, with and without manipulation, and examine the difference in the nature of OCRs, like sentiments and rating score, with and without manipulation of products, well-known and unknown brands. And first of all, let's talk about what it means, brand awareness. Brand awareness and how do the customer have some knowledge about this brand? Do the particular customer saw me maybe heard before about this brand? So this brand we will call well-known brand. For all of people, maybe Zara, H&M is well-known brands, and for example some of Lafay, you don't know the brand, so that it will be a known brand. So next one is online customer reviews. So one of the example of customer review you can see here. Yeah, and just is it really the same with Amazon and another review sites here you can see the customer ID, star rating system, and also review text, and also customers readers can vote this review was helpful or maybe unhelpful. And next, it's as we know, we have a lot of manipulation detections techniques. So first of all, if we will divide them, so it will be machine learning techniques and non-machine learning techniques. In machine learning technique, we can separate for supervised learning and unsupervised learning. But if we want to use the machine learning techniques, so we should, for manipulation detection, we should have fake reviews data sets for comparing and maybe class prediction. But in case if we don't have this data sets with fake reviews, we should use unsupervised learning or maybe non-machine learning techniques. So in our case, because unsupervised learning is has so many disadvantages, some oversampling and others, so we should have some domain knowledge about particular for example cluster. So in our research we used non-machine learning technique. And also for provide that research we did sentiment analysis and readability analysis. So I'm pretty sure that all of you are really familiar with these analyses. So and here's our research framework. So first of all, we crawl data from wildberries.ru, and after that first step, it was like sentiment analysis, readability analysis. We already had like rating scores, and after that we tested like for randomness. We used like runs test, and after that we divided like two data sets, like with manipulation and without manipulation. So I already told you about like our research questions. So first of all, to the reliability of our study, we provide survey. Like we are asked like some group of Russian people about do they know this brand or not. So we we chose like 10 brands. So here you can see the like 5 of brands like was like chose like well-known brands, and 5 of them was chosen like unknown brands. So like for each of brands we select like 100 products, but with reviews more than 30 reviews, and in total data counts of reviews it was like 101,248 reviews. And next was like sentiment analysis, but it's like our review, our research is unique because before, to the best of our knowledge, nobody didn't like analyze like reviews in Russian language for sentiment analysis. So we used like polyglot pipeline in Python to analyze the Russian text for like for sentiment analysis. In the result, we found the polarity of each reviews. And also we did like readability analysis for Russian text. And first of all, we did like we analyzed through 3 indexes. Before, like usually for readability analysis, researchers used only 1 index, but for reliability of our research, we use 3 of that indexes. And last is like manipulation detection. As I already thought, for manipulation detection, we use like sentiment analysis score, readability scores, and also rating scores. So we detect manipulation through runs test. Runs test is like a typical statistical test for find randomness. So if, for example, our like particular product reviews was like non-random, so we can say that its product has reviews with manipulation. So we will call it like a product with manipulated reviews. And if that reviews will find the random, so we can call it like a product without manipulated reviews. So in result, we found like from 100 products, like 203 product was with manipulation, and 797 was without manipulation. Also, because we already did sentiment analysis, we can compare like average polarity, I mean sentiment scores, and average rating. And so you can see there like product with manipulation impact to the total products like average polarity and also average rating. And next one is we divided our result like product with manipulation. This is divided by well-known and unknown brands. And you can see that the highest amount of manipulated reviews has Lafay. It's like unknown brand, and one of well-known brand like Concept Club doesn't has any like product with manipulation. And also, we was curious about like sentiments, that review sentiments, and also average rating. So you can see that usually for what's happened. For well-known brands products with manipulation, average polarity is higher than for like unknown brands products with manipulation. So it's mean like not only like manipulation reviews impact for customers, but also how their like brand present in market. It's also impact for customers. So maybe it will be a really interesting topic for future researchers. And that is summary, and also like academic contribution, practical contribution. So like for academic contribution, we can talk that about like we like just propose a method for manipulation detection like method, and also we provided research for like Russian text, so that's kind of unique. And also we can, before us, nobody divided like manipulation like for well-known and unknown brands. And like for practical contribution, it's like very useful for consumers know how brands and also manipulation impacted them. And just like first of all, any questions?
한국어로도 주문해도 돼.
한국어로 질문 됩니다. 제가 질문을 좀
네.
드릴게요. 페이크 리뷰
예.
디텍션하는 골라내는
페이크 리뷰 아니에요. 예를 들면 우리는 detection product with manipulated review. So we detect products, not fake reviews. We detect product with manipulation. But do you know, like fake, it's kind of like really small part of manipulation, because like manipulation, we have a lot of like kinds of manipulations. But fakes, like maybe generation fake reviews, and just one of the part of reviews manipulation.
That's why I have confused about this. Because there is a title which is including the review detection, something like that. So
No.
manipulate to review does not mean fake review.
No. In our research, we don't use like meaning like fake review. No. But because I explained before, like for fake review detection, we need to have like data set with fake reviews. But for Russian case, for Russian reviews case, it's kind of like very difficult to obtain that like fake reviews data sets. So because of that, we detect not reviews, we detect products with manipulation.
So I have a question about how you did manipulate.
What?
How you did manipulate items?
How
Did you manipulate?
manipulate items?
Yes.
Uh,
You said that there are some manipulated items.
This manipulated.
Not manipulated items. How did you do that?
No, not manipulated items. Items with manipulated reviews.
Yes.
Yeah.
Manipulated reviews.
Yeah.
Fake reviews, right?
It's not fake review.
It's not fake. But
Yeah.
manipulated.
Yeah.
But manipulated means fake.
No.
No.
No. Difference are, for example, you went to hotel, and for example, hotel, like they said you that they will give you some, for example, pretty set of pillows if you will write good like review for them. And you said like, okay, I will write that review, and you wrote that review. Can you call it fake? But its review will be manipulated, because that the hotel people manipulate your opinions. Maybe before you was satisfied, but not in this level that you want to write the review. But they kind of like push you to write this review.
It's like some
Yes.
I have some confusion about it because there is many papers about writing about a fake review or supported review by company.
Yeah.
And you didn't say that it's manipulated.
Yes, because of like manipulation, fake spam. Like manipulation is really huge. So manipulation include like fake spams and everything. Because like in our case, we can't really say that this review was like totally fake or maybe it was spam. We cannot say like that. But we can exactly say there was some manipulation with particular product reviews. Yeah, okay.
You mentioned your academic contribution is providing well-known and not known products.
Yeah.
But by the number you showed, like polarity,
Yeah.
difference in polarity between well-known products and not known products, not very understandable to me. So it's not convincible for me. Why is the differences between the numbers between the polarity? What is the meaning of?
Oh, what is the meaning? Okay, like for example, from from 0 to 1, it's mean like positive review, and from -1 to 0, it will be mean negative review. So like as you can see, like all of their like manipulated reviews, they have like positive polarity. So it's mean like all of manipulated reviews is positive.
But the differences between the numbers, like 0.4 something and 0.4 another thing, is it meaningful differences between the two categories?
We did t-test for them, and that two data samples, they are different. But as you can see, like the difference, it's not really huge. It's not really big, but anyway, we can see that like if that difference not big, but anyway, that difference impact for like total products, sentiments, and also like for the average rating. It's like how to say, it doesn't really important how large it, but it's like meaningful that the difference, like we found the difference. That means.
So that implies the market share, if the market share changes, the number ranges are not very mutable, not very changing. It's just fixed around 0 point something polarity.
Yes, it's not so reliable. Yeah. Okay.